In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Classroom link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your class's invite link and how to copy it so students can join quickly without adding each email one by one. This is perfect for new terms, last-minute class changes, or when you need a simple way to get everyone in the right place. You'll need to be a teacher or co-teacher in the class to access the link. First, open Google Classroom. You can use a web browser on your computer or the Classroom app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, especially if you juggle personal and school profiles. If the class you need doesn't appear, switch to the right account and try again. Next, select your class. On the homepage, you'll see cards for all your classes. Click the one you want to share. This takes you into the class workspace, where you'll see tabs like Stream, Classwork, and People along the top. Now, open the People tab. Click People at the top of the class. This view organizes everyone connected to the class, with teachers at the top and students below. We're going to use the Students section to access the invite link that learners can use to join. In the Students area, look for the Invite Students option. Click Invite Students and then choose Copy Invite Link. As soon as you select that, Google Classroom places the unique join link on your clipboard. That's it. You've got the link ready to paste wherever you communicate with your students, whether that's an email, a message in your school's portal, or a course website. When students open the link, they'll be prompted to join your class. Depending on your school's settings, they may join instantly or require your approval. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Share the link only with the audience you intend to enroll. Avoid posting it in public spaces, since anyone with the link could attempt to join. If you don't see the Invite Students option or the Copy Invite Link choice, double check that you're in the correct role for the class and that you're using an account with teacher permissions. Also note that layouts on mobile can differ slightly, but the People tab and Invite Students action work the same way, and that's all you need to do. Open Google Classroom, pick your class, head to People, and copy the invite link from the Students section. Keep the link handy, share it responsibly, and you'll have your learners joining in no time.